Welcome to a Bird Be Gone video special. We partnered with a local authorized installer to provide bird control solutions to a nearby high school in the surrounding community. With the help of Kevin from Zap Pest Management, we installed Bird Spike on a campus building adjacent to the outdoor lunch area. In this video, we will cover the site evaluation process and the various details associated with the planning of this project. Before the day of the site evaluation, contact the main decision maker of the property and discuss the timing, location, and specifics of the bird-infested property. During this conversation, take advantage of tools like Google Earth to become familiar with the property and obtain a precise location of the problem area indicated by the customer. While on the phone, specify where the birds are located and take measurements of the building, without even stepping foot on the property. Once you have specified the details of the job, you will then need to execute an in-person evaluation of the property. On the day of the site evaluation, arrive to the location on time and prepared. Request that all who are associated with the project join you for the site evaluation. While you walk the property, point out specific bird-infested areas. During this walkthrough, use the Bird Be Gone site evaluation form to go step by step and complete a thorough evaluation process. The first step in any site evaluation is to identify the bird species and estimate the number of birds, or what is often referred to as pest pressure. Determine the behavior of the birds and the location at which they are detected. Specifically, where they are nesting, roosting, or landing. Note that if the location is either enclosed or an open area. All of these factors help you determine the correct products to solve the bird issue. On this campus, the bird pressure is fairly high with birds present throughout the day. In various locations on the campus, the birds have built nests and taken shelter. The pest bird species in this location are pigeons roosting on a building adjacent to the lunch area of the school. Once you have determined the types of birds, the bird behavior, and their location, identify the materials of the structure and any equipment that will be necessary to access these locations. Ask yourself, are there any restrictions inhibiting access? Are there permits required to access these areas? Next, evaluate if it will be necessary to sanitize the area and determine what equipment is needed for the cleanup. At the high school, bird droppings had accumulated around the roof drainage systems and was in need of a cleaning. To our surprise, we also found the original Bird Be Gone plastic spike installed on a portion of this building over 25 years ago. After so many years of bird exclusion, the spike had slowly worn down and was ready to be replaced. At this point in the site evaluation, it is important to consider proper PPE and the safety equipment necessary for this job. This equipment will often include gear such as a Tyvek suit, a respirator, eye protection, gloves, and fall protection depending on the height and location of installation. Once these preliminary details have been thought through, you can properly determine the bird problem solution. For this building, the proper product to install is the 8-inch stainless steel Bird Spike, installed using E6100 adhesive glue. The last step of the site evaluation process is to determine the product's warranty and calculate the price of the job and its entirety. For a more detailed description of the quoting process of a job, tune into the Quoting and Bidding Bird Be Gone video special. We hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you soon.